Hello boys, I am Praveen Misra. Welcome in KV Rai Academic online classes. Today I shall teach you class 4 math exercise 4.2. What problem based question solve today? Here question by how much 5645 than less than 37,256 37,256. Here first we know less means. What is less? Less means come, means this number 37,256 is how much less than 5,645. By how much? We often by how much less? We can, in this type of questions, in this question how much less or how much more, we can solve this question. Subtract the subtract the smaller number from greater number, we obtain answer. The same process will take places on this question if question is how much less or how much more. No confusion, how much more we cannot add, we can subtract, and in how much less in this question we subtract from the number. Here the greater number is 37,256, smaller number is 5,645. We subtract from smaller number, then greater number, we obtain 541 31,611 less than this number. Our answer obtained how much? 5,645 less than 37,256. Solution 31,611 less 5,645 then 37,256. On this we get the answer. In second question, the difference of two numbers is 24,536. If greater number is 72,342, find the smaller number. Here 72,000, greater number is 72,348, smaller number 24,536. Difference means how much more or smaller. Then how much greater number is how much more, smaller number is how much less. Here difference of two numbers are obtained here. In this question we can solve this question. For first we take example. In subtraction question, here if greater number is 7, smaller number, we can obtain the smaller number and the difference are given. Here the difference, if the difference is 2, so then we get the smaller number. In this question we can subtract difference from the greater number and obtain 5. So our answer will be 5. What is smaller number? In other questions, for example, if greater number is 8 and the difference are given 3, the difference is given 4, then we can find what is the smaller number In this question, same B can subtract 8 from 4 and obtain 4. So our smaller number will be 4. In this question, we can get the answer to subtract 8 minus 6 equal to 4 minus 3 1, 3 minus 5 we borrow, and this number will take place 13 subtract 5, 13 subtracted 5 8, 11 4 subtracted 11 means 7, and here 6 subtracted 2 we get 4. Our answer 47,812 means what? Find the smaller number. So our smaller number is 24,536. There are many types of word problems. In word problems, first we read the question carefully. Its name word problem. Why we can say in this type is word problem? Because in this question, first we try to understand how can solve this question, or add, subtract, multiply, divide. Our brain stroke, and then we get solution, and we first think what can we add or subtract, multiply and divide. Mostly in word problem, addition based question, how much total amounts. In subtract types question, in last the question will ask how much left, how much more, how much less. In this type questions, be carefully read and be observe if in these types are word used in this question, we can say that is subtract question. How much more, how much less, how much greater, how much difference, how much left. This type questions. In multiplication based word problem questions, there are given one quantity, one's price, one's article's price, and find more than one article's price. Examples: if given one book's cost, two books chairs, three books, two coolers, and find what will be the price of 10 coolers, 20 books, 10 pens, then we can subtract the following numbers, unit of number and quantity, and we get answers. In division questions, given many items price and find the price of one books, one articles. In this question, our answer is less than the numbers, so we can obtain to subtract the numbers greater number from the smaller number, divide, and we can obtain answers. In this questions, word problems based question, first we read the question carefully and then think what is problem and how can we solve this question. Okay.